Welcome to Livorno, Italy! Ayan. Livorno is a big port city in Italy. But for today's story, share ko muna sa inyo yung aking naging food trip at Ristorante Gran Duca. Nabubukas lang ng restaurant kaya kukonti pa lang yung tao. So I have a 25 euro budget and ito yung aking in-order. Na-miss ko na agad yung pasta kaya yon, ravioli ang aking in-order. Yan, with parmesan cheese siyempre. At may kasama itong bread. Yan. Ganun palagi pagka kakain ka sa Italy. Pasta, bread, and cheese. Yan. Woo! Bigla akong nagulat dahil may nakalagay sauce with cooking drink. Ito naman ang second course.